Got her mounted up. The steering works. If you know, you know. This isn't the final product. I wanted to get everything mounted up, make sure it's gonna work. These are getting cut, trimmed down, and tied down. Up at the front, those will get strapped down. You know, the ropes are gonna get adjusted. I may even have to adjust my high-end steering connections there. You know, do the electrical, paint all this. Get her in the water, make sure the motor's right. We gotta see. I think I'm gonna have to drop it a little bit, but not too much. Ooh. Both ways, gotta like it.